I want to cover my face because I got a pimple on my face, but it is what it is. But today is the day. It's kind of warm out, so I'm gonna fix my wheels with Bondo, and I forgot I don't have spray paint. I'll probably get it another day, but today I'm just gonna be sanding it and then Bondo the wheels. I'll show you how to do it, but mainly you can just look it up on like Chris Fix's channel. So it's just he's better at explaining things because mine is just I'm just gonna do it anyway. I'm just gonna get started because I'm better just at showing than explaining because I'm terrible at explaining things. So let's go. So as you can see all this curb rash. There's more here. That basically took a lot. There's some up here as well. It's like that for every single wheel that I have. Every single wheel I have is like this, basically. And even behind, on the other side of it as well. But I'm not gonna focus on that today because, well, I'm pretty sure I don't have enough time to do it. So I'm just gonna be focusing on the outside part, clean it up first, and then gonna start. Well, this one ain't too bad. Why should I take that back? That's really sharp. Yeesh. So what I have here, some sandpaper, some 400, 320, I think there's 200, I think. I'm not really sure. 600. There's a lower grit. I'm just gonna be using the sanding block. That way I can try to smooth out as much as possible first. That way I can move on to these. That way it can be as flat as possible. But if it's too much, if I take away too much of the wheels, basically, then I'm just gonna Bondo it. But if it's just mainly the point is to smooth this out first. And this is the Bondo that I got. I got it for like 12 bucks, maybe 15 at Walmart. Everything that you can find is at Walmart or Home Depot, except for this block thing. I got it at Home Depot. I will also recommend to be wearing gloves and a mask. So I'm just wet sanding. I'm just gonna be wet sanding. Just throw some water onto this and onto here. This is what I've been using because I don't feel like getting my hose. It's gonna take too long. Alright, so now I'm gonna be using the Bondo. As soon as like you basically just sand down the whole entire wheel, it should be. So I'm just gonna be using what I got. So I'm just like using some cardboard just to mix these. I would recommend just starting out with a little bit because it's just like these. The Bondo hardens really fast. I'd probably say like something like that is a good amount if it stops dripping. Yo, the drip. Ugh. In the Bondo, it comes with a hardener. I want to use. Ooh, that's a lot. Should be like half of this much. At least. Now you're gonna knead this basically until it turns pink, and just like that, it looks good. because of some whack. It started to rain outside, so I'm just hoping that it would be dry in time, or else so I'll basically have to start over.
A few moments later.
Everything is smoothed out. Everything's ready to go. I can sand it down a little bit more, put a little bit extra Bondo if I wanted to, but I think I might do that on a later time, probably tomorrow, because I need to buy the paint. Since I'm going to be buying the paint tomorrow, I might as well just do a little bit extra touch up on it. That way it can be completely smoothed out. I want this to be perfect. I also have one more issue, and it was like, it doesn't show on camera that well, but all around the whole entire wheel, there's like some rust. I think that's rust, because I could not wash it out. I'm like scratching it away, so I need something to clean this. So I think tomorrow when I get the spray paint, I'm gonna get it from Walmart because it's cheaper, and I'm gonna get the chemical guys wheel cleaner, something like that. I'm gonna go get that, but as of right now, I'm just gonna go inside. My coworker just sold me her Switch, so I'm gonna go play this. And I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is basically in the next clip. So I got a bit ahead of myself. I start spraying my valve stems, chrome or whatever it is. It's basically the primer before I start spraying it gold. First coat. Paint probably won't be similar as the ones on the wheels, but I mean, it was close as close. All right. Oh, that's hella gold. Fat. Oh, I missed. Yo, this thing is hella strong. There it is. My ghetto makeshift wheel cover. Alright, so some time has passed, and I've been spray painting my valve stem caps, and I just taped up the tire. I'm ready to do it for 2 wheels, but I can't do the other 2. I'm not sure I have enough time because I have to go to the fucking hospital later. Anyway, it's time to start. a bunch of coats. I believe like 3. No, I did 4 at least. I already did 4. Probably didn't record most of it, but I did do 4. And I think it's about ready. I'm ready to put them on. Then I also did the rest of the wheels, so I don't have to waste any more time than I need to. Yo, I think that's pretty close. Yo, that looks dope. Anyways, yeah, I already sanded, bondoed, and spray painted every single wheel. As of right now, they're drying, so I shouldn't be touching it. This is already dry, and I say this is pretty close to this. It's not bad.